Hi guys, welcome back to Tokyo Track Wolf. Today I'm going to go play in the snow because I'm a big child and I'm going to take my Mazda along with me. So for anybody who doesn't know, the Mazda MX-5 is rear wheel drive and this particular one has a limited slip diff. So that means any rain, ice, snow, basically anything that isn't bone dry, and the car is pretty tail happy, which for me is perfect. You got to be careful on the road, you don't want that to happen to you. Having an old Japanese car, I really should have had something more appropriate for the winter and put this away and worked on it, but honestly it's days like this that I absolutely love having this car. So before I had this, I had a Lexus IS220D, which was also rear wheel drive, but in the snow it was absolutely shockingly bad. Right, I couldn't go up the smallest of inclines, but I've not had a single issue with this car getting back and forth to work since the beast from the east has been here. can confirm the beast from the east is absolutely Baltic, so I think I need a little hot chocolate to warm me up. The sky's really dark and moody at the moment. I think we're definitely expecting some more snow, so it looks like the beast from the east still has more to give.
Don't stop now. Reaching for a distant star. Don't stop now. Isn't it strange how we're safe and home?
It looks like because of the snow and the high wind, everywhere's going to close early in Aberdeen, but we'll keep searching for a coffee.
Turn the shit around, start it up beyond. It's all you need to do.
Billy RS over on his channel has already made a snow drifting video in his Mazda MX-5. You guys should go check it out. I'll stick the link in the description or something. Guys skiing down a rail in the middle of some houses, but you know, when the snow comes in, kind of whatever goes. And now back to the outro that I shot yesterday. I've got my well-deserved coffee because I was absolutely frozen, but let's hope for more snow, for more skidding about fun. Give the video a like if you enjoyed today's skidding about, and subscribe for more. Also, for anyone interested, I'm now selling stickers, link in the description below.
Mm-hmm.